Hello guys, in this video I'll be guiding you through the basics of using Google Drive. Now what is Google Drive? Google Drive is an online cloud storage service by Google which allows us to save files securely and access them from any device with an internet connection. You can store files like documents, photos, videos, music and more. Now to access Google Drive, you'll have to open your web browser and search for Google Drive. We'll click on the link showing us the sign in option. You'll have to sign in with your Google account if you have one. If you don't have one, you have to click on create account and follow the instructions to set up one. Now once logged in, you'll see the Google Drive homepage. Now My Drive is our main storage area. Shared with me folder shows us the files others have shared with us. Recent folder shows us the files we have recently accessed, and Start folder shows us the important files that we have marked. Now, Spam folder is the folder where unwanted files would pop up. We can mark them as not spam or we can delete them. Trash folder is basically the recycle bin where all the deleted files will show up. We can delete them forever from here. Storage is where we can see how much storage we have occupied. So Google Drive basically provides us with 15 GB of free storage for every Gmail account. We can upgrade it further if we want more. Now to upload files, we'll click on New and select File Upload. We'll select any file and open it. Now we can see this file is now uploaded on our main drive like this. And we can similarly upload folders by going on plus new on the top left corner and clicking on folder upload and selecting any folder and uploading it. We can now create more folders also to organize all this stuff as work or school work and office work, which makes our organization easier. Now if we want to share a file, we'll click on a file and click on share. Now this here it gives us a section where we'll add the email ID of the person we want to share it with, or we can copy the link from here and we can give access to people after sharing link with them, or we can select the option of anyone with the link and anyone with the link can access the folder. Now we can create new files directly by going on the plus new option and selecting Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides and Google Forms. We can create new files from here. Now to search for any file quickly, we can use the search bar at the top of the drive. Like if we have many more files, it is easier to search. Now for further upgrade options for the storage, we can select the get more storage option and it will guide you with further instructions to upgrade it. We can buy it further. And this is basically it. With Google Drive, you can store, share, and manage files effortlessly. We can access it anywhere on any device. We just need internet connection and we can explore its features and make the most out of our cloud storage.